In this video, I will show you how to fix unable to initialize Steam API error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, if you do have Steam opened, what you're going to want to do is close this down. So just close down Steam, and also what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar, click onto this arrow which says show hidden icons, and in here you want to look for the Steam icon, right click and then click onto exit Steam. It's going to fully shut down Steam. Now once you've done that, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type allow an app, and underneath best match you should see a result come up which says allow an app through Windows Firewall. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. From here, come up to the top and click onto the change settings button, and what you want to do is scroll down this list and look for Steam. Now this is in alphabetical order, so you just want to scroll down until you get to S and you should see Steam showing up, and you should also see the Steam web helper. So what you want to do at this point is make sure the boxes are ticked for both private and public. So if they're unticked, then make sure these boxes are ticked, and then what you can do is come down, click onto OK. Once you've done that, what you want to do is locate Steam. So come down to your search box, type Steam, and that should come up underneath best match. And then what you want to do is right click onto this and click to run as administrator, and that should hopefully resolve the problem. Now if that didn't work for you and you're still getting the API error, there is another thing you can do. So from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. This time you want to type add or remove programs, and then open up add or remove programs underneath best match. Once you've opened up the window, come up to the search box at the top. In here type Steam, and it should locate Steam on your PC. Now what you want to do is actually come over to the right hand side, click onto the three dots and click onto uninstall. And once you've uninstalled Steam, just go ahead and re-download the Steam app from the website, and once you've re-downloaded it, restart your PC, and once you've restarted it, you should now be able to successfully start Steam without the API error. So that's how to fix unable to initialize Steam API error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.